Hey, we're the
Hear
Osbornes.
ye, hear ye, hear ye.
And the noisy one is Warwick. And we've just walked from town, 10 minutes walk from the CBD in Queenstown.
To 21 Sawmill Road, and what a beautiful day here it is in Queenstown. Coronet Peak's just that way. Cecil Peak, Walter Peak, everything's just there. And let's step inside to this property. 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, so much potential, short-term, long-term, rent by the room, Airbnb. It's got a resource consent in place for additional upsizing the property. Great property. Come inside.
It's absolute cash cow, but we need to get the job done. This property is a complete property. You've got quite a bit of room you could add value into. We've got 5 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's so close to town, as we mentioned earlier, that it has never been vacant of tenants. There's lots of options you can do here, so any savvy investors, landlords, or if you just want to buy it yourself and have all your flatmates pay off your mortgage, this is the property that you want. Close to Queenstown, close to all the amenities, fantastic. Good heating, good sun.
Take advantage of the approved resource consent and give yourself additional bedrooms and bathrooms. Well, I think I've split my trousers.